What's good, YouTube, man? So we're back at the shop, man. We're at my house. We still working on the Glasshouse. Airbags did not hold air overnight. We still got a leak. I gotta get back. I'm not sure if it's gonna be on the quick connects in the front or the back, but it's holding air, man. So we should be good to drive it tomorrow. I still gotta, man. I really want to drive this car. I haven't been driving this car at all. So I want to drive it tomorrow. Right now, we're trying to work on the electrical. I was talking to my boy Ish, and he told me that the switch, the turning signal switch inside the steering column goes out. That's why whenever I hit the brakes, everything lights up. So we got lucky. We got low rallies. They had the piece. I had to go pick it up at the warehouse, and right now we're about to change it, man. So let me show you. Let me show you what I got going on right now. So we already took the steering wheel off. Man, one of the things is removing this little guy right here. Usually it's a pulley with 3 bolts. I don't have it, so we use a regular pulley. Right now I gotta press this boy down, pull out this pin so everything can come out. I've done it before without the tool, man. It was a pain. I did it on my 75 Caprice, the one that I sold. But after that fiasco, we went and bought the tool. So we actually got the tool today. And let me take this apart, man. First, I gotta take, I don't know if you can see it. It's like a little washer right there. So I gotta press this down, get the washer out, and then get the piece out. So let me get to working, man. So, man, if you had never used one of these tools before, you got 2 of these, 2 different sizes. Make sure you get the one that fits inside. That way, whenever, what it's gonna do, this one is gonna be holding down. I threaded this in, and then with the wrench, do not use no impact, don't use no ratchet. With a wrench, man, press this one down so you can apply pressure, push this down, and you're able to remove the little cotter pin without a problem, man. So again, this is simple, man. You can do it without the tool, but it's a pain. With the tool, a lot easier. So let me keep going. So, man, as you can see, it's out, not fully out, but man, it's been a pain because I don't got the pliers for those. So boom, man, 2 screwdrivers, been working it out. It's already outside. I gotta take it completely out, man. That way everything can come up. So let me keep on working and take this thing apart. So here it goes, man. This is everything naked, and off the back we're seeing that it's missing 1 spring. I don't know if you can see the old one and the new one. So I had never done this before, man. So we're gonna do this together, man. Let's go. Damn it, boy. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, man. Look at where we at right now. Ooh, hey, this is why sometimes it's good paying someone that knows what they're doing. I got frustrated. I couldn't get it out. I had to YouTube it, like why it was getting stuck. They said trying to make it straight. Trying to do as much as I can, but then I messed it up. But anyways, man, we got it out. It took longer than I wanted. I had to go cool off for a little bit. I was getting frustrated. I didn't know what the heck I was doing, but we got it out. Ooh, we got some vodka tonic. We good right now. Oh, now time to put the new one in, man. Let's go. Wayne, got the jump box. What you think, man? Not gonna lie, I got the wife right now with me. I was like, either the car's gonna start or it's gonna start on fire, bro. But come on, babe. This is the old one. We're having trouble. Everything was lighting up. The new one came in with 2 different connectors. I don't know why the other one is 2 different ones, but we had to put the adapter just to make it fit. And as you can tell, we haven't put the steering wheel on. The wires are still hanging. The reason why is I want to make sure everything works, because I don't want to put everything back together and have to take it apart again. So
Fingers
is it
crossed.
gonna start? Air compressor start. Yes! I love screw. Oh look. My big girl in the back.
Yeah.
The other one comes.
Yeah.
Right?
I believe so, yeah.
Oh, don't believe so. Check it. Good?
The brakes?
Yeah.
No.
No?
Oh, yeah.
What the fuck? Alright, my light.
Yeah.
Oh shit, the light was working. The light worked.
Yeah.
Brakes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Certified YouTube mechanic, motherfucker. Yes. Hey, man. Good. Alright, so we're gonna end this video right here. We're good for tomorrow. We're gonna put my steering wheel back on. My detailing tomorrow morning though. We're gonna start the New Year's by detailing the car. Yes. So, anyways, man, I'm not gonna bore you with everything, putting it back up. We're good.